Sometimes we need to delete a job in Backup Exec 21, and we can do that by double-clicking on the server and taking a look at all the jobs that are in the list. So we'll click on Jobs at the top, and there's a whole bunch of jobs here. Let's say we no longer want to keep around some of these jobs. So I could go to the one-time backup, for instance, right-click on that, choose Delete. It asks to confirm. I say yes, and now it's gone. Now, one thing to keep in mind is if you delete, say, a full backup, for instance, you're not only deleting the full backup, but if you also have a scheduled incremental backup, it will delete that one as well. But if we want to delete a backup job that has multiple parts to it, such as you see here, this has a full backup as well as an incremental backup, you don't want to delete just one part of it because it will delete the whole thing. So if I right-click and delete the incremental, it's actually going to delete the entire backup. So that doesn't really help us. So what I want to do is I want to go in and just delete part of that. So I've recreated my job. There's my full and my incremental. So I don't want to delete the whole thing. Maybe I just want to delete the incremental portion. So all I have to do is go to the root, right-click and choose Edit. And then I can go to Edit again on the right-hand side. And then I can go to where it says incremental and just click the X to remove it. So now all I have is a full backup. I don't have both the full and the incremental. So there's a couple of different ways you can do this. You can delete an entire job, you can delete a series of scheduled jobs, or you can just delete part of the job. And that's how you do that in Backup Exec 21 as well as older versions.